Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes of my internship at Kering Eyewear. I'm currently working as a trade marketing intern, and I'm excited to share with you the strategic work I'm involved in with the luxury eyewear industry. So when going to work, I usually set my alarm at around 9 a.m. So let's get up now and get ready for work together. First day of work after Chinese New Year break. Chinese New Year break was so long. Like usually people will take break for like 7 days, but in this company we took break for 10 days. So I haven't been to work for 10 days and this is the first day I'm going back. Probably there's gonna be a lot of work because even though we're off, but because Kering is a French-Italian company, so the people over there are still working. So probably they're gonna send us some work and we need to go back and catch up with them. I have been at Kering for almost like 2 months. I started in late December and now it has been almost like 2 months. Because we start work at 10:30 or sometimes even go for 11, so we need to go for 8 hours until 7 p.m. in the evening. We start late so we get work done late. But when I go to the company, I don't usually talk to a lot of people. I heard like a lot of people say it's so hard to find like a job these days, let alone like full-time jobs. Internship was also very hard to find. It took me like quite a long time to like 1 or 2 months to get into this Kering internship. I think another reason is because we're international students. But if you want to work in China, Chinese is a must. You must be able to speak Chinese, or else it will be so hard to find a job here. Because even though you found YT, right, or international firm like non-Chinese firms, because they're located in China, their customers are Chinese and the people who work in the company are Chinese, there's no way you need to speak Chinese. But at least for me, I found that YT environment suits me better. So you guys might heard of 996. It means that you work from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. for 6 days a week. That's quite common in China and usually in like the Chinese firms. But like in YT, we don't do that. It's a way more work-life balance. So now I'm getting ready to go to work. So right now, because it's a school break, so there are not a lot of people in the dorm. Even my roommate, she's not here, so I'm alone. Usually in the winter break, all the students will go back home to celebrate Chinese New Year and will come back only after closer to the time when the school starts. So right now it's February 6th and our spring semester will start on February 17th. It's a bright day in February. The only good thing about winter is that it doesn't really rain, but it will be so cold. Right now it's almost like 0 degrees. So because the subway station is not really close to my dorm, I will drive our 电动车 to the subway station first. Let's go. This is my cute pink scooter I drive in school. We're located in West Nanjing Road, right in the heart of the Jing'an District, which is the perfect spot because it's a very luxurious area. It's 11 a.m. and I just got to the office. I usually have a very late breakfast at 11 a.m. before I starting work. And here's my intern friend. She works in the product marketing team. 这个是 7-Eleven。那有什么看这个哪看吗？这个是 7-Eleven 买的。你过年是不是吃很多呀？没有，因为我吃很多，所以我问你。The work environment here is super chill. It's a YT foreign enterprise, so the work-life balance is really good. I've got my own desk with 2 monitors, which makes everything a lot smoother. Gucci, Saint Laurent, Balenciaga, Bottega Veneta, and also brands that are not under Kering, such as Cartier and Chloe. My role as a trade marketing intern involved a lot of strategic work in supporting the retail performance of these brands. I like traditional marketing, which focuses more on consumer-facing campaigns. Trade marketing is about optimizing product visibility and brand presence at the retail level. This means I work closely with retailers and distributors to ensure that the brands are represented in a way that aligns with the luxury status. A big part of my job is managing trade marketing tools, such as point of purchase, POP, materials and displays, to make sure they are effective in driving sales in store. Now it's around 1 p.m. and I'm heading out for lunch. Sometimes I go with my mentor or intern friends. Since we are in such a great area, we have so many options around us, from fancy restaurants to quick bites. During lunch break, sometimes I walk around Zhangyuan because it's very pretty here. I also help develop new packaging and display strategies to ensure our brand stand out in a competitive retail environment. 这是我爸玲珑玉来喝下午咖啡一杯38块然后这个咖啡为什么这么贵呢38块味道很像我们复旦大学17块的咖啡 Compared to traditional marketing, which often focuses on brand awareness, trade marketing is much more tactical. It's about ensuring that when a customer walks in a store, the brand's product is in the right place, looks appealing, and is supported by effective promotions. My role involves a lot of vendor coordination, tracking materials, and creating visibility reports to measure the success of these retail campaigns. I think what makes this internship so unique is the difference from my last experience at L'Oreal, where I work with a more mass market approach. The luxury retail environment here is definitely different. It's all about precision, premium customer experiences, and maintaining that high-end brand image. Ensuring products are presented in a way that enhances their luxury appeal and drives sales. This is our showroom to put the glasses. 这是什么品牌 Very new Kering sunglasses brand Monchin that Mika is the brand ambassador. And of course Gucci and Montblanc and YSL Cartier Alexander McQueen, Dan Hugh, and Chloe. There are some brands that are under Kering Group, but there are also some brands that are not. Like Cartier originally belong to Richmond Group. It's not Cartier glasses are under Kering Eyewear. Can you see the view here? Show the views. The views. 看到东方明珠 Oriental Pearl Tower. Bye bye. After lunch, we gather for some fruits and tea. The view from our office is amazing, especially when you just want a moment to relax. Now I'm done for the day at around 7 p.m. so it's time to go back to our dorm. This is my favorite Hong Kong food place beside company. 我们来吃晚饭啦！这个周今晚来的吃晚饭的店，就是没有很外放。So here's a question. What brand from the Kering Group would you like to wear? Let me know in the comments below, and if you're enjoying these insights, make sure to like and subscribe for more updates from my intern. See you in next video!